this lonely track. All my worries of yesterday, I can't seem to get away.
Good morning, guys. It's a lot cooler today, thank goodness. It's been a hot one lately.
And, cold, actually.
No,
Can
no,
you
it's
believe it? I actually am.
Ignore what she says.
Got goose pimples. It is cold.
Ignore what she says. It's actually really, really nice now because it's been sort of 27, 28, even 30 degrees lately, and yeah, it's a welcome change today. We've had a busy week. I've been doing a few jobs at home and lots of baking as well. Tracy's done some really, really nice bakes again this week. So what was different today, or this weekend anyway?
So this week we did a huge giant lemon and elderflower cake with the homemade lemon curd. I think we filmed that.
Yeah, I think that was last week that was made. So yeah, keeps for about 2 weeks in the fridge. Really nice and brilliant. Yeah.
And the other one I made this week, which has been really popular, was yesterday, was the Eton Mess little loaves, strawberry loaves, and we made the meringues to go on the top too, which have come out really well. I'm really pleased with them.
Long time in the oven those, weren't they?
Hour and a half, yeah. For such a tiny thing, it's a long time on a very low oven. But yeah, sometimes the meringues, we struggle here, don't we, because of the atmosphere. They kind of go damp, don't they? Like you have to pick your days that you're going to do a meringue.
Yeah.
Something else that we've learned along the way.
Yeah, somebody else gave us a really good tip about just dipping the base of the meringue in some white chocolate, some molten white chocolate. Oh, you did it on these?
Oh no, I have done that before.
Yeah. So that works really well to stop the meringue from absorbing the icing of the cake going quite soggy.
There's a lot to learn, like with different things. Like we made a long time ago in the early days, didn't we? We made this amazing roulade, which is like a meringue, and I've done it many times at home. It's always been perfect. I brought it here and it just literally clapped, and I think it was just that there was so much moisture in the air. Yeah. So you can't just bake everything you want when you're doing street coffee and cakes, because it doesn't work always. But yeah, all learning curves. I made some small little chocolate and cherry. I didn't call them Black Forest cakes because they're not quite a Black Forest cake, are they? But they're chocolate and cherry with like a cherry conserve in the middle and cherry on the top. So that's lovely.
Yeah.
And this week, actually, we're going to do something new, aren't we? This weekend, you've got a job to do.
This weekend?
Tomorrow night. We've got lots of strawberries.
Oh yeah. I forgot about that. Yeah, we got some strawberries. So
we're going to be making some jam.
And we can do that this weekend. Yeah. And then on Wednesday we've got Overbury again. So we're looking forward to doing that. That went really well, didn't it? Last week, as you probably, if you watched last week's video, that was on then. And we've also had a fresh delivery of mugs from Lucy. So thanks very much, Lucy, for those. And we actually sold a couple yesterday, didn't we? Straight off the counter, put them out, and off they went. Nice. So yeah, so that's really nice to get a few of those back in stock. And the people that have contacted me, you should have received a message by now about the mugs. So if I've missed you out, just just let me know. I'm pretty sure I've covered all bases. We've got a few in stock now. So let's see what the
day brings.
Yeah, let's see what the day brings. It's Saturday today. Yeah, Saturday. No, this is plenty warm enough, Trace. I'm always burning up. I think I'm on the change or something.
Male menopause.
The male menopause, yeah. Artist at the farm shop today called Johnny Arnold. Let's go and check out his work.
Every night I spend with you, hoping you could feel it too. Don't you ever
it.
And there's True.
That's it.
YouTube crossover.
Yeah.
That's a bit close, isn't it?
That's it.
Give me a little
Yeah.
tickle. I want my camera to have hair. Mine hasn't got hair.
Does it go out in the wind?
Oh yeah, it does. Yeah.
That's what it's for.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. So where's your microphone? On top? Well, I never. Well, there you go. I'm gonna give you a wig.
Yeah, and it also makes people ask the question every day. What's that?
Yeah, give it a tickle.
Camera? Yeah, what's that then?
I thought he was just trying to imitate your hairstyle. Yeah, that's it. So we know it's yours.
Ready? I won't get Hayley in that. Can't I? Let's go. Turn round. Do you have to hold on, or am I going to fall out the door or anything?
It shouldn't be. It does break quite hard because it's a
Yeah, go forward like in the Dodgems and bang.
static thing.
We're off with Hayley and Chris now to go to Colin's party. Colin is a local villager and customer, and he's leaving the village to go and live in a retirement complex. Wow, look at this.
I ain't got cards. You could have bought this up, sell a few more cakes.
Yeah, I
Oh yeah, I'm sure we could have just peeled it out of our back pocket.
You're gonna have to do it then.
Lovely portrait.
Did you need Alison as well?
Helping me do bits and pieces.
They're nice.
Oh, isn't it?
Oh yeah, I got. Oh, it keeps moving out of the way.
Come on this way, Trev.
Oh, they're beautiful. Yeah. How old are they, Hayley?
A week, aren't they?
Not that. No, they started hatching. Oh yeah, Tuesday they started.
Wow. Oh, they're gorgeous.
Do they just keep warming the mum then, do they?
Yeah. And these are a bit older.
This is Hayley's world, this is, isn't it? The pig's over there.
The big elephant on the...
That's Polly.
And
that's Bruno.
That's amazing. I love it. Welcome to say hi.
They all look. Okay, so Polly bosses Frank around.
Oh,
And then Bruno bosses Polly around.
Oh, they've each got their ones they boss.
Yeah, he's the gaffer, she's middle and he's last.
Gaffer. That's great, isn't it?
They're waiting for something now.
There's the V8.
Gets there, eventually.
Why have you got a pan full of moss in it?
I don't know. And a bog seat. A frying pan with grass and a bog seat. Oh, it's the sweepings off the floor.
Big. Just cracks me up, that does.
Big bus.
Hayley used to drive that, didn't she?
Yeah.
it's looking a bit thundery, to be honest. So hopefully we'll stay dry.
Moon, I'm there soon. I'm leaving quite early tomorrow morning. Undercover, baby, is what you ask of me. Soon I'll be disguised. Shooting star, I'm without a safety net. Give me a ride. I'm going far beyond where the sun sets. Dear, I'm no longer scared. Glow brings me comfort. I'm filled with light. Tiptoe, dance with me through the shadow play. Moon, I'm on my way. Shooting star, I'm without a safety net. Give me a ride. I'm going far beyond where the sun sets. Shooting star, I'm without a safety net. Give me a ride. I'm going far beyond where the sun sets. Show your tail in the night. Keep it glowing steady and bright. Shooting star, I'm without a safety net. Now give me a ride. I'm going far beyond where the sun sets. Shooting star, I'm without a safety net. Give me a ride. I'm going far beyond where the sun sets.
Nice.